Today, I'm going to show you how to secure your Twitter account. Let's jump right in. First, open the Twitter app on your mobile device or go to Twitter website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Next, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner and then select Settings and Privacy. One of the best ways to secure your account is to enable two-factor authentication. In the Settings menu, tap on Security and Account Access. Select Security. Here you can find two-factor authentication. Tap on it. You'll see options for using authentication app, SMS, a security key, or a text message. Choose your preferred method and follow the prompts to set it off. Now, after you've turned on the two-factor authentication, you need to change your password to something strong and unique. Go back to security and account access. Tap on password and enter your current password, then your new password. And this is how you can simply take important steps to secure your Twitter account.